Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Corey full of Automotive once again. Today, let's take a detailed look at the 1997 Chevrolet 1500 WT regular cab. Now the 1500 WT regular cab is actually one of our personal vehicles that we purchased a couple of days ago, and I'm afraid to show it to you guys. It's got a brand new exhaust system as well. And let's give me a detailed, in-depth review of the 1500. We'll start up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance details, as well as show a bunch of the unique aspects of the interior as well as exterior. And so, without further ado, let's go and start it up and let it run. This exterior color is the color blue. Features a full gray interior with a color X setting. Yep, something's happening. Very nice. Well, the 1500 WT is built to drive on roads and highways, just like your typical WT 1500 is a sport interior. It does have power brakes with discs on the front, power steering, and it's come across the airbag cover, no controls. If you hold on the steering wheel and drive, and that's to give it a little bit of soft touch. It's the gearbox, and you can offer a manual transmission with the clutch. This particular one has a 4-speed automatic gearbox with low gear selection. So we're going to go ahead and flip on the headlamps, as well as the hazards. And this thing has also have manual windows. And we'll check out the exterior. As you can see, we got our brand new plates on it. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Brand new exhaust system. Same thing. Okay, we're going to pop open the hood. It's very easy, you can open that with one hand. Sounds sweet. This truck is not mine no more, that's my dad's truck. That's our personal vehicle. Well, now let's go see how it sounds. Hood's open. Sounds like my Uncle Ronnie's car. Sweet. It has a 4.3 liter V6 Vortec. We're going to close the hood. Pretty lifty. We're going to go shut her up. There's my Nissan. Blower fan.
Providing a soundtrack to South Temiskaming.
Also has 525,000 kilometers. That's a trip odometer right there. This truck also has 151,827 kilometers. It's been driven a lot. Has cargo lamp here. You can also change that control here. Switch it to a different channel. I'm going to show you the different stations.
CBC News, Regina.
Aux yeux de Marjorie Kiesler, elle a quitté la région de Miami pour le...
That's a French channel. That's 105.3 KISS 105.3 in Sudbury. That's the right channel. We just need some gas in this one. Let's go ahead and shut her down. It's running pretty good though. And I'm going to show you what's inside. So, here's our glove box. As you can see, here's the paperwork. Well, here's my dad's new ownership we got for the truck. And here, the truck is a 97 Chevrolet C1500. And the serial number. It's pretty cool. And here's the auction place where we got it from. My Uncle Mike just bought this truck 17 years ago, like I said. I also come with the owner's manual. And others. My Uncle Mike didn't have a trade-in. As you can see, he didn't have no trade-in. He just bought this new truck 17 years ago. And I'm gonna go show you something else. This thing here, but the key doesn't work on it. I don't know. I don't think this works. Maybe it must be the paint. It might be on there. I don't know. But that works. I'm gonna have to open this with two hands. Oh gosh. Ugh. There we go. That's better. As you can see. And you can open this with one hand too. See? It's pretty good. Looks all smelly in here. We just went to the dump with this truck. Oh. Well, it used to be my grandpa's old truck. He just got this truck to me. Me and Dad. We want to use that truck so I can show it to my friend Nelson. And he'll be so happy that I wanted to show him that truck. We're back inside the truck. I'm just gone. We're going to continue with the video. We're going to continue the video with the truck running. Here's our tape. It also has a tape cassette player inside. Here's our 80s music. We're going to put that in. It's going to turn this on.
And Frank Welding Rolton Grocery Kit.
Let's see. There you go. You can also rewind or fast forward. There you have it.
On the backfield, Empire Cinema, and it.
There you go. There you go. I just got that from my car. I'll just put it in here. And there you have it. And now let's go ahead and shut her down. We're just going to have to continue with the on position. The truck is not running. So we're going to show you one of the functions here. It's got turn signals. Windshield wiper controls. High mode. Or change it to low mode. We're going to have to get some windshield washer, but that doesn't work. Oh, there we go. I didn't know. That scared the crap out of me. So let's go shut her off. It's pretty good though. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour and engine startup of the 1997 Chevrolet 1500 WT regular cab is one of our personal vehicles we purchased. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to be making more videos soon. I'm going to go to Pinewood Park Motors to videotape of Ford vehicles. So here's a lot more that come from. Take care everybody. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter if you want, or Facebook. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to be making more videos like I said. Well, here's a lot more that come from. Take care, everybody. Don't forget, this is the 100th video that I wanted to put on my channel. And I want you guys to see this video of this 97 Chevrolet 1500 WT regular cab. Is actually one of our personal vehicles we purchased a couple of days ago. Don't forget, this is my 100th video that I was featured on my channel. So all you YouTubers are watching my channel, you love most. So don't forget, like I said, don't forget, follow me on Twitter or Facebook. Or on my Facebook. So here, I'm going to be making more videos soon. Here's a lot more that come from. Take care, everybody, and subscribe today. Subscribe to Corey Fulham Automotive, LLC, all rights reserved. Take care.